forget they're there and I look for them all day.
That's also fair. Oh.
Okay. Do the back.
That is not what I was expecting to see when I was walking by.
I see, so it's great.
You can put your hand out the window or like on top or down below or...
There you go. Cool.
Love that. Oh, I'm excited. That's so cool.
Okay, do you want a few of just you in the window and then I'll do a few of just me?
I see here. Oh, it looks good. Like that?
Yep.
Oh no! There we go.
There we go.
Cool.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a good one, Amber. Hey. Oh, yeah, I like that.
Oh, don't rip.
That would not be fun.
That would be hilarious.
It would be hilarious.
With the falling or the ripping?
Oh, grab the back of your thing and make sure your heels don't get caught in it.
I'm going to use my heel to hook myself.
Okay, but I don't want your heels getting caught in your thing.
Oh, yeah, good idea, good idea.
I really want to push you.
Oops.
Alright?
See, I don't need your help.
Oh, there you go. Cool.
Oh, nice.
I think the skirt's covering all the naughtiness.
Cool.
That building, this ain't